Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bonus video today, unboxing take 2. I received this in the mail. It's from Brian at Signature Soaps, and there's a tale to tell. I will link my last 2 videos that I've used. I've only used them in two videos, one quite recently and one about 10 or 11 months ago. I'll link them both under this, but Signature Soaps, UK artisan, absolutely wonderful soaps. I've been in a dialogue with Brian. I let him know, I said, I'm going to be using your stuff, and he very kindly said, I'd like to send you something. And here it is. I've no idea what's in it, but I started with the knife to cut away, and then I banged the tripod that my camera is on, and the thing fell over, so I just started again. So although I don't know what's in this, the seal, where is it? The seal here has already been broken, so we'll get in and we'll see what Brian has sent me. Now, just before I go any further, there's a tale to tell with this. It actually came last week. It came last Friday when we were in Llandudno, and the postman left it with the young Polish family, neighbours of ours, and she took it in thinking that we were just out for the day. The thing was, on Saturday she was leaving, her and her family were leaving for their holiday in Cornwall for a week, so it's been sat in hers, and they came back this morning. I saw them out of the window coming back, and I gave them an hour or 2 to get settled, obviously. And then I ran up the path like a man possessed and said, hey, you got a parcel for me? And she said, yes, here it is. So here it is. Thank you, Brian. Very kind. So let's see what we've got. Open. Try not to bang that tripod again. And a letter. Let's have a look. I would highly recommend Signature Soap, guys. Absolutely. Okay. Hi, John. Just a little thank you for your support. These travel size tins. Also, make sure you shake the bottle of splash before you use to blend the ingredients. Glycerin and aloe vera and oil tend to sink to the bottom. Thank you, Brian at Signature Soaps. It's absolutely right. I've had many soaps from Chung Fung Sing and Extra Cosmesi. And the oil settles to the bottom of them, so just give it a little shake, and it blends absolutely fine. So thank you for that, Brian, and here we go. There you go. Let's see what we've got. Very kind, very generous. Well wrapped. Okay. Is it Linderness? Get it? So you can see it. Linderness. Lavender. Well, if only you knew, Brian. If only you knew. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes, that's lavender, but that's lavender and then some. There's my nose is picking up something else there. Absolutely wonderful. If only you knew, Brian. I have just bought something lavender. I'm not going to say any more because I want to leave it for the Wednesday shave, but yeah, just bought something lavender, so thank you very much. An absolute treat. Here we go, another one. Condate, is that geranium, bergamot, lime and lavender? Well, geranium, bergamot, absolute winners, aren't they? Let's see how this combo will go together. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Do you know what that smells like, guys? I may have said this before. Oh, that smells like Turkish Delight. You know, we get it in pink foil, little pink foil Turkish Delight bars here. And the beautiful, lovely, sweet jelly in the middle. Oh, that's what I'm... Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much. There you go. Check that out. Woohoo! Absolutely delighted. And then there's 3 boxes in here as well. Here we go. Let's see what these are. There you go. All very kind, very generous. There, Condé, there we go. We've got the splash. So that's a full set there. Let's have a sniff. Oh yes, well, it's kind of a given that you tend to pick up more from the splashes because it's a more concentrated scent, isn't it? Absolutely wonderful. So that's let's have a look at this one. Let's rip it open. Yeah, so show some support for Signature Soaps if you can, guys. It's good stuff. The soap is absolute. Here we go, look. Danum. Now, this is the patchouli, isn't it? This is the one I used in my video last week. Oh, wonderful. I love patchouli. As a matter of fact, I was on my last delivery on Friday afternoon, and the young lady there that worked at reception had she walked past me and smelled absolutely wonderful. She had to give me access to a restricted area. And I said to her, "Are you wearing patchouli?" And she was wearing patchouli, and I remembered it because of this. And I was telling her about Signature Soaps too. So Danum, so that will add to the soap that I've got in there and give me another full set. This is absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Brian. Last one. Here we go. I think we know what this one's going to be, don't we, guys? And yes, Linderness. There you go, Linderness. Let's have a good shake and a good smell of this. There you go. Oh yeah, no, we'll put some of that on the hand there. Yeah, that, oh yes, it does. I'm picking something else up now. It's a slightly deeper, richer scent in that. And that's it, guys. That's our little unboxing. It was more to say thank you to Brian, really, than to show you what I've got. Although I wanted to show you what I've got. It's always nice to get a gift, isn't it? But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to Brian, because very kind, very generous. You know, he's in business to make money, not give stuff away. So when somebody sends you something like this, it's always wonderful to receive. Helps the channel out as well. I've got another 2 or 3 videos there coming up soon with that stuff, and I will use them again in future videos. So thank you, Brian Hood. Check out Signature Soaps. I will put a link to them underneath here, so you can buy from them. They sell, like I say, they sell all over the world. Believe it or not, I first saw them in Pasteur's Pharmacy and then realised that they're in Bolton, just up the road from me. So it's wonderful. UK Artisan Month. If you're in the UK, show some support for the UK artisans. And if you're not, if you're watching this and you're in the States, you've got a Pasteur's and try Signature Soaps. It is very, very well worth. Wonderful scents, wonderful soaps. They remind me a lot of Wickham soaps in their quality and consistency. And somebody got in touch with me after watching my last video and said, I bought the Signature Soaps after watching your last video, John, and you are absolutely right. Super quality stuff with terrific scents. So other people are saying it too. So thanks, Brian. Thanks, Signature Soaps, and thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Take care, guys. Bye.